Hi children, today I will explain the remaining IUPAC nomenclature organic compounds names. First see this one given one. Actually in this compound there is no functional groups, there is no multiple bonds, but only carbons and hydrogens are present, only substitution is present. It is very clear, one substitution is present. And this is the long chain. In this long chain, how many carbon atoms are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is the substitution. This is the substitution. Right. Now give the numbering for this one. Now check from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth carbon, this substitution is attached. From this end, 1, 2, 3, 4. So both sides same. Now give the numbering from any side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the substitution. What is the substitution? The substitution is 1, 2. 2 carbons are present, means it is ethyl group. This organic compound also simply write like this. How many carbons in long chain? 7 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And at fourth carbon, 2 carbons are present. These two are same. This one we can write like this. This is the substitution. This is the substitution. So 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth position, 2 carbons are there. So methyl groups. So sir, why are you writing like this? Means the given organic compound contains only carbons and hydrogens. So there is no other functional groups. Means there is no oxygens, there is no nitrogens. We can write like this without hydrogens. That is not a problem. And it is also a very easiest method to write the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, now give the name of this compound. At fourth position, methyl group is there. So 4 ethyl, substitution is completed. Next, number of carbons in long chain, how many carbons are there? 7 carbons. So hept, and only single bonds N, heptane. So 4 ethyl heptane. Now check the second, means these are all I already given to you. Sixth one, how can you write the name of this compound? In this compound, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbons in long chain. And this one acts as a substitution. It is very clear. Now I will write the skeletal structure, means open structure for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In fourth position, for 1 carbon, 3 CH3 groups are attached. See, 3 CH3 groups means 1, 2, 3. Okay, simply actually if these 3 carbons are not present, these 2 carbons are not present, means this is the first one, means these two are same, this one and this one is same. Why? Because here 2 carbons are present. If these 2 carbons are replaced by, means these 2 carbons are replaced in this one, actually this one contains 2 hydrogens and 1 CH3. For this carbon, this side one bond with carbon, another side bond with carbon, means CH3. This side one hydrogen, this hydrogen. But these 2 hydrogens are replaced here with 2 methyl groups. That's why this is the substitution. In this compound also, this is the substitution. But the substitution, what type of substitution it is? It contains generally straight chain 2 carbons, means ethyl. But in that ethyl also contains 2 more substitutions. So what type of examples these are? Means substitutions also contain substitutions. For such type of organic compounds, how to give the IUPAC name? So initially first you have to identify the substitution. This is the substitution. Give the numbering from both sides same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So fourth position, 1 substitution is present. The substitution straight chain contains how many carbons? 2 carbons. Again give the numbering for this one. So for this carbon attached, this is the first carbon, so this is the 1, this is the 2. So for this carbon, two methyl groups are attached. Now how can you write the name of this compound? Listen carefully all of you. First write the substitution. Substitution at fourth place. So 4. Okay, but in that substitution also contains two methyl groups as a substituents. So generally we can write directly 4 ethyl, but in that ethyl first carbon contains, so write in bracket 1 comma 1. Why? Because first carbon in that substitution, first carbon contains two methyl groups, so the two methyl groups attached to the first carbon, that's why 1 comma 1 dimethyl. Okay, and what is the main chain here? These two carbons are the main chain, so ethyl, bracket close. Are you understand? At fourth position, actually ethyl is present, but for this ethyl, at first, for ethyl means two carbons. In the two carbons, first carbon contains two methyl groups. That's why this is 1 comma 1 dimethyl ethyl. Okay, substitution part is completed. Remaining part is very easy. Remaining part means after substitution you have to write the number of carbons. How many carbons are present in the long chain? 7 carbons are present. So 7 carbons means hept. And what type of bond? Only single bonds. So ane, heptane. Okay, Nana? Very easy. But in substitution contains substitutions, the type of models. Now come to the next one. This is 8th one in our given homework. Right, now check the given compound. Check the given compound, all of you. In this compound, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 carbons in a long chain. And it is very clear. This is one substitution. This is one substitution. This is one substitution. And also this is one substitution. This is ethyl. This is methyl. This is methyl. What about this one? Actually, to this carbon, 3 CH3 groups are attached. Now I will write the simple skeletal structure for this one. 1, 2. For third one here, C2H5 is present. And fourth one, CH3 is present. And here down, C. 2 CH3 means 1, 2, 3. This is 1 CH3. This is 1 CH3. This is 1 CH3. Okay. And remaining 1, 2. And again here, 1 CH3 is present. 1, 2, 3. Now check. These two are same structures. These two are same structures. Now how can you write the name? This is one substitution. This is one substitution. This is one substitution. This is also one substitution. But this substitution contains two more extra substitutions. Okay. Now give the numbering. From which side? 1, 2, 3. From this side, a third carbon ethyl group is attached. From this side, 1, 2, 3, fourth position attached. That fourth carbon with substitution is attached. So follow the lowest sum rule to give the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Now write the name. For this one, it is very clear. This is ethyl, methyl, methyl. This is also ethyl, ethyl only. Because in long chain contains only two carbons, ethyl. That ethyl contains two substitutions. So two ethyl groups, two methyl groups. In alphabetical order, E comes first, comparing with M. So write this one. So first, fourth position. Substitutions are there. Give the inside numbering 1, 2. So first carbon contains two methyl groups, 1 comma 1 dimethyl, long chain ethyl here. So inside chain completed. So 4 completed substitution. Now 3 ethyl. I'm sorry. Yeah. 4 1 comma 1 1 comma 1 dimethyl, and these two are ethyl, right? Next 3 ethyl, and remaining are at fourth position one methyl group, and seventh position one more methyl group. So 4 comma 7 dimethyl. So substitution part completed. Now how many carbons in the long chain? 10 carbons are present. So dec, only single bonds, ane, decane. This is the eighth one. Next one,